Financial education, also known as financial literacy, equips individuals with the skills and knowledge needed to make informed financial decisions. It's a crucial aspect of personal and financial development, essential for achieving both financial freedom and independence. While financial freedom entails being independent of external financial constraints, financial confidence is rooted in one's ability to generate wealth through knowledge and acumen rather than sheer monetary resources alone. Contrary to popular belief, money isn't scarce. It's abundantly available, but only those with the requisite skills and knowledge can effectively acquire it. Money operates by a set of rules, much like a game, and mastering these rules is key to mastering one's financial life. In this video, I'll outline the 4 fundamental rules of money that form the foundation of financial freedom, confidence, and literacy. These principles will elevate your financial prowess and propel you to new heights, provided you're committed and driven. Now, it's important to note that all the information shared here is freely available. If you find value in this content, simply show your support by liking and subscribing to the channel. Financial success isn't solely about luck or windfalls like inheritances or lottery wins. Studies reveal that a staggering 70% of lottery winners end up bankrupt within a few years due to their lack of financial education. To achieve lasting wealth, one must prioritize financial literacy, a skill sorely absent from traditional education systems. So why do people neglect financial education, despite its accessibility and affordability? 2 primary reasons stand out: conventional wisdom and comfort zone/self-esteem issues. Conventional wisdom often perpetuates a scarcity mindset, instilling beliefs like, money doesn't grow on trees, or money is the root of all evil. These ingrained beliefs hinder individuals from taking the necessary steps toward financial empowerment. To break free, one must seek guidance from financially literate mentors, rather than relying on outdated societal norms. Moreover, developing financial acumen requires stepping out of one's comfort zone and cultivating confidence. Confidence is paramount for success, as it fuels risk-taking and resilience in the face of failure. Without a belief in one's ability to succeed, financial progress remains elusive. Now let's delve into the 4 cardinal rules of financial literacy. Rule 1. Leverage debt wisely. Debt can be a powerful tool for wealth creation if utilized judiciously. Distinguish between good debt, which generates returns, and bad debt, which incurs liabilities. Use debt strategically to propel your financial endeavors forward. While the idea of taking on debt might seem daunting, when used strategically, it can serve as a powerful tool for wealth creation. Leveraging debt involves borrowing funds to invest in assets that have the potential to generate returns higher than the cost of borrowing. One common example is real estate investment, where investors use mortgages to acquire properties and benefit from rental income and property appreciation. Similarly, investors may utilize margin accounts to trade stocks, amplifying their purchasing power and potential gains. However, it's essential to approach leveraging debt with caution and foresight. High levels of debt can magnify losses during market downturns and lead to financial distress if not managed prudently. Understanding the risks and having a solid repayment plan in place is paramount. In essence, leveraging debt wisely requires a careful balance of risk and reward. By thoroughly researching investment opportunities, conducting thorough financial analysis, and maintaining disciplined risk management, investors can harness the power of debt to accelerate wealth accumulation and achieve their financial goals. Rule 2. Cultivate a wealth mindset. Adopting a wealthy mindset involves envisioning yourself as financially abundant and acting accordingly. While living below your means is prudent, don't shy away from investing in experiences and skills that enhance your confidence and earning potential. Your mindset shapes your reality, and when it comes to financial success, adopting the right mindset is key. Cultivating a wealth mindset involves shifting your beliefs and attitudes towards money, success, and abundance. Firstly, it's crucial to embrace the abundance mindset, which focuses on opportunities rather than limitations. Instead of dwelling on scarcity and lack, train your mind to recognize abundance and possibilities in every situation. This mindset shift opens up new avenues for wealth creation and prosperity. Secondly, Practice gratitude for your current financial situation while envisioning your ideal future. Gratitude attracts more positivity and abundance into your life, paving the way for greater success. Moreover, surround yourself with individuals who uplift and inspire you on your wealth-building journey. Network with like-minded individuals, seek mentorship from successful entrepreneurs, and continuously invest in personal growth and development. Lastly, take consistent action towards your financial goals and remain resilient in the face of challenges. Cultivating a wealth mindset isn't just about positive thinking. It's about taking purposeful action and persisting in the pursuit of your dreams. In conclusion, by adopting a wealth mindset, you can unleash your full potential, attract abundance, and achieve unprecedented financial success. So let's embark on this transformative journey together and create the wealth and abundance we deserve. Rule 3. Develop marketable skills. Invest in developing high-income skills that add value to the market and generate substantial returns. Acquiring assets, such as real estate or stocks, becomes feasible once you've honed these skills and amassed the resources necessary for investment. In today's fast-paced world, having the right skills can open doors to numerous opportunities and significantly enhance your earning potential. Firstly, identify your passions and interests, and then focus on acquiring skills that align with your career goals. Whether it's mastering a programming language, honing your marketing skills, or becoming proficient in graphic design, investing in skills that are in demand can set you apart in the job market. Next, embrace lifelong learning and stay updated on industry trends and advancements. Attend workshops, enroll in online courses, and seek out mentorship opportunities to continuously sharpen your skills and expand your knowledge base. Moreover, don't underestimate the power of practical experience. Seek internships, freelance gigs, or volunteer opportunities to gain hands-on experience and demonstrate your expertise to potential employers or clients. Additionally, cultivate soft skills such as communication, leadership, and problem-solving abilities, as these are highly valued in today's workplace and can complement your technical expertise. By proactively developing marketable skills and staying adaptable in a rapidly evolving job market, you can position yourself for long-term success and financial stability. So let's commit to investing in ourselves and unlocking our full potential. Together, we can build the skills needed to thrive in any industry and achieve our goals. Rule 4. Understand before investing. Investing is essential for wealth accumulation, but it must be approached with caution and comprehension. Before diving into any investment opportunity, thoroughly understand its intricacies and risks. Never invest in something you don't understand. Why understanding is key. Imagine driving a car without knowing how to operate it, or embarking on a journey without a map. Similarly, investing without understanding the fundamentals is like sailing into uncharted waters blindfolded, risky and potentially disastrous. Understanding is the compass that guides us through the intricate landscape of investment opportunities, helping us navigate market fluctuations and make informed choices. Understanding the market dynamics is paramount. From macroeconomic trends to industry-specific factors, staying abreast of market developments empowers investors to anticipate shifts, identify opportunities, and mitigate risks effectively. Furthermore, understanding one's own risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon is indispensable. A deep understanding of these personal factors enables investors to tailor their investment strategies to align with their objectives, ensuring a harmonious journey towards financial success. Moreover, seeking insights from reputable sources, consulting with financial advisors, and leveraging educational resources can enhance our understanding of complex investment concepts and strategies. Remember, the more we know, the better equipped we are to make prudent investment choices. Investing inherently involves risk, but understanding can serve as a shield against potential pitfalls. By conducting comprehensive risk assessments, diversifying our investment portfolios, and employing risk management strategies, we can safeguard our capital and mitigate the adverse effects of market volatility. Additionally, understanding the principles of asset allocation and maintaining a balanced portfolio can help minimize exposure to risk while optimizing returns over the long term. In conclusion, the principle of understanding before investing is the cornerstone of every successful investment strategy. By cultivating a deep understanding of investment vehicles, market dynamics, personal risk tolerance, and research methodologies, investors can embark on their investment journey with confidence and conviction. In conclusion, mastering the rules of financial literacy is pivotal for achieving lasting wealth and prosperity. By prioritizing education, stepping out of your comfort zone, and embracing a wealth-oriented mindset, you can embark on a journey toward financial empowerment and fulfillment. If you found this content valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.